How to find member code in Solo Leveling Arise. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily find your member ID or your account ID in Solo Leveling Arise. First things first, open your Solo Leveling Arise game on your device. Once you're inside the home screen of Solo Leveling Arise, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, which is indicated as 4 little square at the top right, this one over here. After you tap on that, you will see this expanded menu where you need to click on the gear button at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside this options tab, tap on account at the bottom left corner. Once you're inside the account tab, go to the top right section and you will see account details option. You'll see a long string of numbers and letters inside account details. Tap the copy button to copy your account details or your member code. You can paste this member code anywhere you like safely. In order to find the member code, you need to complete the tutorial for your game. This member code will be helpful to you whenever you want to redeem codes online or whenever you are contacting support. So that is how you find your member code in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.